All right, guys. For so long, I've had the mindset that I was just going to be the 9 to 5er forever. I was just going to be living from paycheck to paycheck forever. But MCA is changing my life. And I just want to really appeal to those who are struggling. Don't let your mindset be limited by where you are. There is more out there that you can do. There is better. There is financial success for you to get to. You just have to take that first step to get to it. You have to leave fear behind, and you have to just keep on keeping on, keep on stepping towards it, because if you don't, nobody will for you. So I do want to encourage you, if you're looking for a better way, if you're struggling and just trying to find a way, make a choice today to have better, to have a different mindset, to do better, and just do it. Just do it. Because if you don't, you're going to be living in that same poverty mindset. You're going to be living in that same, I'm going to be just stuck here for the rest of my life. So I want to encourage you, take the first step. Take those steps needed for you to succeed, for you, and make that decision that I'm going to start today and do something with my life because I want better. So this video is a little bit short, but I just wanted to get on and encourage you, take that first step. You can do it. So make today your best day, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.